सुकूर सोशियो आर्ट कल्चरल संघटनेन सुकूर हांगासर 30 सप्टेंबर ते 2 ऑक्टोबर मजगती पोदेरांचे फेस्त आयोजीत केला. गोयचे दायज सांबाळपाच्या नदरेन हे फेस्त दर वर्सा सुकूर आयोजीत करतात. आरडी एक्सको खातीर सुकूरच्यान सुशील शुक्ला.
I am happy to be here along with the students of the Don Bosco College of Agriculture to support this Zadacho Utsav आणि Poderache Fest at Sukur. It's the second year that the plant festival is taking place here along with the Baker's Feast, and there are as many as 10 stalls from various nurseries which are participating here, and we'll be having a demonstration on how to grow vegetables and fruit plants in pots being done by the students of Don Bosco College of Agriculture Sulcorna, and question answer which will be handled by me along with them, so that if anyone has difficulty in growing anything organically, they can be sorted out. All the inputs that are required, whether it's pots or soil or manures, panchagavya or seeds or plants, are available here at one place. Those who are interested can take that. Even books are available on how to grow vegetables. So people visiting this exhibition have got a complete package by which they can go back and grow vegetables this coming winter season and enjoy homegrown vegetables which are free from pesticides and other harmful chemicals which are doing great harm to us, especially causing cancers and tumors, such things which we do not want, and also help each one of them to live a healthier life. We are very happy to support this kind of festivals which are community based, community organized and community funded. It is great that Marius Fernandez has taken the leadership in this with full support of Father Santan here, and a similar festival held in Arambol or Hermal for the Ramponkars, which was also a great success. The people participate and they benefit from it.